Work a 9 to 5, and you're trading hours for dollars. Start a business and you'll keep hustling 24/7. But become a creator and you'll not only earn but make money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? But my friend, yes. That's the power of the creator economy combined with artificial intelligence. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a regular job or starting your own business. But society often presents these as the only options to earn, and most people just accept it without giving it a second thought. In this video I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. This is part 2 of the series. If you haven't seen part 1 on growing your Instagram account, go and watch that first. I will put the link in description, so check it out. It'll make this video even more valuable. Without further ado, let's move to method number 1. Help others grow. Let's say you've built a strong Instagram presence with at least 10,000 engaged followers in your niche. This opens the door to offering paid growth services. Remember? Part 1 dives deep into growing your account. Here is how it works. Find smaller accounts in your niche struggling to gain traction. Offer them growth assistance for a fee. This could involve featuring their content on your stories, collaborating on posts to expose them to your audience, and more. While reaching out to smaller accounts, avoid spamming them with your prices right away. Instead, focus on building genuine connections first. Here's where AI can be a powerful tool. You can leverage ChatGPT to craft personalized messages that start a conversation. The chat message should be simple and has only these 3 elements. First one is the opening line, then the body offering value, ending with a question about growth struggles. Remember, do not mention anything about your growth service in the first few messages, otherwise they'll label you as another desperate sales guy. Ask ChatGPT, please write 10 personalized opening lines that complement the work of creator's name or brand name, who is a profession of the creator. After you've generated opening lines, select the one you like, or choose a couple of them for A/B testing. Let's move on to the body of the message. Here, I would recommend you to keep it simple and provide some sort of free value and end it with a simple question so that they respond and conversation is started. Here's a ChatGPT prompt to do same. Please write me 5 text messages, concise, with just 2 to 3 bullet points on specific and highly actionable tips on growing an Instagram account in niche. The last part of the message will ask questions about their growth struggles, or offer specific growth tips without mentioning paid services. The goal is to establish yourself as a helpful resource and build trust before introducing your services. Many smaller accounts might even reach out to you for help. It's often easier to work with these proactive accounts. Your pricing can range from $25 to $100 per story post, depending on your follower base and what others in your niche charge. To get an idea, research accounts with similar followings and inquire about their promotional rates. This will guide you in creating your own pricing structure. The beauty of this method is it requires minimal effort. You're leveraging your existing audience to create a win-win situation. Method 2. Sell your digital products. This method is fantastic for creators with established expertise or a specific skill set. If you have solved a problem in your life, which I guess everyone has at some or other point in life, or went on a transformation of any kind, then you're eligible to make money with this method. All you have to do is document how you overcame a certain problem in your life and bundle it as digital products like ebooks, designs, templates. How to leverage ChatGPT in making your digital products. Follow this process. Write a draft in Google Docs or any other writing app of your choice. This has to be a manual work by yourself. That is your personal journey, so write it. After you have a draft ready, let's move on to step number 2. Ask Chat to create a book outline on your topic. It will give you a complete structure of a book for an idea of what chapters and topics you can include. Now fill the ideas that were missing in your original draft. final part is to ask Chat to proofread and correct grammatical mistakes in your final written ebook. For this, you can paste one chapter of your ebook at a time and prompt it to proofread and rectify grammatical mistakes. Next step is to not think much about it. Upload it to Gumroad and just pre-launch it at a lower price. Gumroad allows you to pre-launch a product. Set the launch date of 1 month after the pre-launch. That way you can tease the pre-launch and get paid customers even before the actual book is launched. Method 3. Become a coach or consultant. If you've established yourself as an authority in your niche, offer coaching or consulting services. This is perfect for creators who can share their expertise on a more personalized level. Use AI to analyze your audience's engagement and tailor your coaching packages to their specific needs. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group coaching programs, or even online consultations. Method 4. Leverage affiliate marketing. You must have heard this term a lot, but no one tells you in this way that I'm going to tell you, and this actually works. Observe other popular creators in your niche, see what digital product they are selling, purchase that product, use it for yourself. Then reach out to the creator telling them that I bought your product and it has helped me to achieve so and so results. I want to promote your product to my audience. Do you accept affiliates? Most of the creators will share an affiliate link to your product. So each time a sale is made via your link, you get 50 to 90% sales commissions. Yes, it is that high for digital products. Method 5. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your Instagram presence grows, brands may reach out for collaborations. Use AI to track your brand mentions and engagement metrics to demonstrate your value to potential partners. Partner with brands that align with your audience and message for a seamless collaboration. Negotiate sponsored posts, product placements, or brand ambassador deals to create a lucrative income stream. Remember, a successful Instagram business starts with a strong foundation. Go check out part 1 of this series to learn how to build a thriving Instagram account. With dedication and the power of AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities to turn your passion into profit. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into how to leverage AI to streamline your workflow and maximize your success. Stay tuned!